Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook garlic Parmesan chicken wings. First, you want to get your oven or your grill set to 450 degrees. Then you're going to heavily season the chicken wings in your favorite barbecue seasoning or barbecue rub. Then we're going to place the chicken wings directly on the grill gate or an oven baking sheet. While that is cooking, we're going to make the sauce with 1 stick of butter, 4 garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of barbecue seasoning. After the chicken wings have been cooking for 20 minutes, we're going to flip them over and cook them for an additional 10 minutes. We're going to pull the chicken wings out, place them in a bowl, and toss them in the sauce we just made. Place them back onto the grill gate or the baking sheet and cook them an additional 5 minutes per side or until crispy. Pull them out. While they're still hot, sprinkle the top with shredded Parmesan cheese and fresh chopped parsley. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.